Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Your Ababola is here. So today's video is going to be my YouTube paycheck. YouTube paycheck like this. Today is going to be all about my YouTube paycheck, and we're going to digest this particular money. We are going to digest it. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S, a content creator based in Abuja. Give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Share. Leave a very lovely comment, and let us get right into the video. So welcome back to the channel. Some people will be saying, but this is not your first YouTube paycheck. Hold on, I'm not supposed to be wearing glasses and be talking to you guys. This is not your first YouTube paycheck. I know this is not my first YouTube paycheck, okay, but now I want film video for my first YouTube paycheck because I don't have that kind of content on my channel. And why not if not? So my YouTube paycheck, I just withdrew the one for this Christmas, okay. I wasn't really paid $500, okay. You know that I have said in my videos, or the way that YouTube usually pay their money is that the money that you make in November will be paid in December. The money that you make in December will be paid in January. So this is kind of like the accumulated money from other months that I withdrew for this month of December, because YouTube earning, it never come together. So some people will be hearing, oh God, oh, we made this amount, we made that amount, but they don't really know the in thing of how this money came together. I've been praying to God that at least when I film like one video, let the earning of that video be like $100, $200. But on YouTube, hey, you go suffer like this before you make this $100 I'm seeing like this $100 I'm holding like this. Talk more of when you make like $500. Please, disclaimer for this video, I beg. Some people will say, is it not your money? Why are you still showing us? Say I never get monetized, and everybody go collect monetization on this platform. Shebina monetization you go collect them. But what matters is that how much you they make. Forget about monetization. You just have to be happy for others. Are they happy for people? Like if I see some people's earning and they see like $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, let me even go to that place. I always pray to God, once I see that earning, Father Lord, I claim this for my YouTube channel. But as I claim this, may you continue to bring forth organic views, organic subscribers that will continue to watch my video whenever I post. And may you continue to give me the video idea that will make that money for me. Because you cannot just be there. You are not filming content. You are not posting content. And when people post their earning, you'll be saying, oh, Father Lord, I claim this for my channel. What effort are you putting to claim, to do, to earn that money? As you put in the work, you should pray to God to see the results. That's my prayers these days. Oh, as I claim other people's earning, as you claim this earning now, pray to God that God should give you the idea to film that will make you to earn this money. And more safe. Like they say, what's the meaning of that thing? I will ask the meaning and write it on the screen. But what it means is that as you tap into others' own, pray that you go even make that amount and pass. That is what I am trying to say. Now, this $500 you're seeing, I didn't just make it in one video. I didn't make it on 2 videos. I didn't make it on 3 videos. I made it in a month. Sometimes it's not up to $500. Sometimes it is $200. I always pray to God that let me get to the YouTube threshold every month. That $100, let me pass it every month and more. That is what I always pray to God. I have always told the people that sometimes we will film video and post video, 37-minute video, you go come to the earning, you go they see like $1, $2. Do you know the effort that has been put in place to upload that video? Or the effort that has been put in place, let me assume that is a market vlog. You went to the market and filmed that content. Upon all the things that you encountered in the market, you still film that content and post it. Then with the data that they will be swallowing, you will now post it. As I was saying, they were telling me that my phone is too hot, that I should allow it to cool down. When the iPhone no gonna go ibo. iPhone people are long English, that I should allow the phone to cool down. So let's continue with another gadget, because this video must be filmed. So always pray to God that whatever you are posting on this platform, let you always reach the $100 threshold and more. And may God bring forth people that will watch our video. I watch the ad though. because to watch video is a different thing, but for people to watch that particular video to a maximum amount or to a maximum duration and watch the ad, because now when people watch ad for our video, we go make the money. So if you see people that are watching or showing their earnings, God, oh, was it last year or last 2 years that Lifa showed her earnings for the year up to 12 million? Hey, I told God, when will I get to that place? But I celebrate with her. I tap into her earnings, because if I tap into her earnings and work towards it, that means it go reach me. So as you tap into other people's earnings, work towards that and pray that you will be favored, your channel will be favored and pushed out. Like, Shebi, you see this viral video they pray for? May you reach your hand. Because now the earnings be the cocoa for this YouTube. Now the earnings, what is your result for all the videos that you have been posting? That is one thing you should always be asking yourself. Even if the earnings did not come now, it go still come, it go still show, because all those people where they see 12 million, they also started somewhere. Yes, they didn't just start YouTube this month and started making 12 million this month. No, there are processes to everything. There are processes to all the earnings. That is what you should always pray to God. And when you see others celebrating, celebrate with them. Don't go and say, I am not monetized here, so why am I celebrating with her? This one, that one. No, don't feel that way. Your own will be your own go reach you. So what I'm trying to say is that this money that you are seeing for my hand, this dollar now, no be today, no be wait, I won't show now the $100, made the $100 show. No be just a month's earning be this. This is the accumulation of like 2 or 3 months. Sometimes you will see 10k views, 100k views, 20k views. The earning is the cocoa in all the YouTube videos that we have posted. So for this particular video, I am here to encourage you. Don't give up on your channel. Keep posting your content, because if you give up, you're not gonna still make the money. But if you keep posting content, that means the money go reach you, even if it not reach you now. I remember days that I just got monetized. I was praying to God, Father Lord, let me just pass YouTube threshold. I started with $100. I was passing the YouTube threshold. From there, I started earning like $200, $300, and I pray to God, at least let it be up to $1,000 every month. That is what I've prayed to God, and I'm working towards that. It was among my prayer points for this 2023. Though it did not come to pass, but it almost got there. And I pray that it gets there and supersedes my own expectation and my prayer request. That is what I've prayed to God, and it will definitely come to pass. So for this YouTube earnings you are seeing now, pray to God that you will definitely earn it. There are some people that when they chat me up, they tell me, is this YouTube even worth it? Is this YouTube even worth it? I have been posting on my channel and I'm seeing like 0.40 cents, 0.50 cents. I told them, and they see some of those things on my video, but I am not giving up, because where others don't reach, where others have reached, me, I will reach there and I will pass. Yes, that is what I always tell myself. No matter the views I see on my videos, I will keep posting, because those where they get 10 views, 20 views, 100k views, some of them, they don't know what thing that they do. They don't know what they're doing on that particular video to make that video go viral. And you want me to give up? No. As I'm watching others, people should also watch me. That is what I always tell myself. As I go to other people's video and watch 1 hour video, 59 minutes video, people should also come to my channel and watch my own video. Even if they don't watch it now, definitely years to come, they will definitely watch it. God, these views, it will definitely reach everybody. It will definitely reach everybody. So for this particular YouTube earning, now make them possible. You people made it possible. I owe it to you guys. That is why I came here to show you people my result. All those videos where you people they watch, all the video, I don't want to be speaking pidgin English, all the videos that you people have watched on my channel, this is my result, and more is coming my way. All the ads that you people watch on my channel, your love and support, this is one of my results, because the results, the growth, the achievements, it is plenty. But I am here to say thank you to you people. All the giveaway that we do, all the giveaway that we have been doing, this is the result of the giveaway. Is when I make YouTube earning, because It's not my salary that will come and use and be doing a bubble and be doing giveaway. It's from this YouTube earning. That is where I made all those money that I was using to do a bubble for you people and doing giveaway for you people, because no be my power now do am. So I want to thank every single one of you that has been watching this particular channel, that has been subscribing, that has been leaving comments. God bless you people. God bless you people. This video, I think I'll be posting it on the 31st of December. So help me God to remember to post it, or I should post it earlier. Anyway, anytime you see it, this is just my appreciation video for this 2023, for everything that you guys continue to do for me. I really appreciate, I genuinely appreciate. Your pockets will not run dry wherever you bring out money to subscribe to data or even Wi-Fi to watch my video. May God replenish your pockets. For every super chatters on my channel, for everyone that super chats me, God will continue to comfort for you. People will continue to comfort whenever you call. As I call and as I post video and you people watch my video and answer my call, so shall people answer your call whenever you call. Thank you guys so much. You people brought me to 50,000 subscribers. I don't take it for granted. I haven't done a 50K appreciation video, but this is just my appreciation video for everything that you guys continue to do for me. I am grateful. OGOM'S series is grateful. Ezehalike family is grateful for all that you people continue, the love that you people continue to show. Okay, you people's fav LOTANNA, you guys love LOTANNA so much, so much, for your massive love and support towards my family. I really appreciate. For everyone that has gifted me so far since I started my YouTube channel, may God bless you people. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Like the blessings that you will continue to experience, as in it will be embarrassing that you will continue to ask God, God, now you be this, Naim. Now, who God Naim be. Thank you guys so much for your massive love and support. Hey, I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted. This $500, it will multiply into $10,000 and $100,000 in Jesus' name, from my mouth to his ears. And for what God cannot do does not exist. Thank you guys so much. And this is also an encouragement video for you to keep posting on your channel. I will definitely be here to support everybody that I can. As soon as support me, because you people pushed me to where I am. Be a change on someone's channel. As people continue to support me, Father Lord, I pray that you continue to give me strength to support others as they support me. That is my prayer. The strength to continue to support others. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. If this video doesn't go up on 31st, that means you'll be seeing it on a random day, but it will be this 2023. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Hey, Agbabola, with this now, we go settle more Christmas expenses and all the things that we need to prep up, because this is kind of like withdrawal for my Christmas expenses and everything that we need to do before we travel. So you guys made it. Now they sponsor this trip. Now they sponsor my Agbabola. Yes, so thank you guys so much for. So on that note, let me use this medium to do a small giveaway. It's not really much because hey, you people know how country be. Everybody is managing the one that they have. So on that note, I'll be gifting three people 5,000 naira. That is 15,000. I don't know how the giveaway is going to be, but what you have to do is that in the comment section, you're going to tell me why you really who should people say reason for needing money? Everybody needs money. They shouldn't say a reason. So I don't know. Okay, let's start it this way. Let me know. Hey, Chineke Namo, how do we do this giveaway? I don't even know. I don't know. So let's just start with, tell me the day that I started my YouTube channel, the month and the year that I started my YouTube channel. The first person that gets it wins 5,000 naira. Okay, wins 5,000 naira. And then you are going to tell me the years of my son. I wanted to ask things that are related to my YouTube channel, but I don't really have much question for my YouTube channel. So that is it. So tell me the years. I think I've asked that question. Tell me the years of my sons. You're going to tell me the years of my sons and their names. You're going to get the names correctly, yo. I beg you. You're going to get the names correctly. If you need to watch videos and go and find the answer, go and watch videos and find the answer. But what I want is that the first person that gets it, their name and their years. Their name and their years. Their name and their years. And you're going to tell me the year that I got my camera. The year and the month that I got my camera. So these 3 questions are what I'm asking. I'm not asking hard questions. These 3 questions are what I'm asking. The year that I started my YouTube channel, the month and the year, the names of my son and their years. Please, you have to write the names with the age together. Don't be writing 1-1. It go dey stressful. Let's choose winner. And then the 3rd question is, which year did I buy my camera and unbox it? The month and the year. The month and the year. That is it. That is my own way of saying thank you guys so much for all your love and support. With time, we'll be doing more giveaway, cash and data. That is my own way of saying thank you. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless you all for your massive love and support. I don't take it for granted. God bless you all. So please subscribe to the channel, because 2024 we are hitting it harder. We are hitting it harder. So 2024, I hope to see you guys in 2024, and so shall God continue to bless us, protect us, guide us. We are going to enter 2024 in glory, in more glory, because we are already in glory. Is
it what they call aggloclara?
No, they call it a melanoma, skin cancer.
Mother.
Which, sir? Melanoma, sir.
Belagloma.
Hey, your English need to change in 2024, because you have to calm down with the English, please, or you reconstruct the English. We are entering 2024 in more glory. So that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, I really appreciate it. No, I will see you guys in my next video. Call them, bye bye.